Hi Filipino learners! Kamusta kayo? My name is JC, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to form basic sentences in Filipino. So today, we are going to talk about a very basic sentence structure in Tagalog, the ones that have a subject and a verb or an adjective. Okay, let's begin with the ones where the subject is a pronoun. So it's pretty simple. For example, you want to say, he is happy. Masaya siya. So in Tagalog, you start with either a verb or an adjective and then followed by the subject. Next example, they are smart. Matalino sila. You are smiling. Nakangiti ka. I am cooking. Nagluluto ako. You studied. Nag-aral ka. We will dance. Sasayaw kami. As you can see on my examples, we do not have linking verbs in Tagalog. We just have the adjective or verb followed by the subject. Okay, what if the subject is a name of a person? If that is the case, you have to put the word si before the subject if it's just one subject. Halimbawa, naglilinis si John. John is cleaning. Mag-isa si Christina. Christina is alone. Nag-usap sina Carlos at Ana. Carlos and Ana talked. So as you can see, I used sina on my third example because there are two or more subjects. Carlos and Ana. So if it's two or more subjects, you use sina instead of si. Another example, hindi nakikinig sina Joey, Monica, at Ethel. Joey, Monica, and Ethel are not listening. Umalis sina Mama at Papa. Mom and Dad left. Okay, what about this? Mama and Papa, or Mom and Dad, aren't actual names of people. But still, the same rules apply. So this is the case if the word that you're using as the subject is also what you use to address that person. So you call your parents Mom and Dad. So in this case, you also use si and sina when they are the subject of the sentence. Okay, another example. Doktor si ate. Ate is a doctor. Now, ate is a word that we Filipinos use when addressing an older female sibling. So same rules applied because the word that you used as the subject is the same word that you used to address that person that you're talking about. Last example, mabuting ama si lolo. Grandpa is a good father. And finally, for other subjects, you add the word ang before the subject. Halimbawa, sarado ang bintana. The window is closed. Mabait ang tindera. The vendor is nice. Mahal ang ginto. Gold is expensive. Naglalaro ang aso ko. My dog is playing. Mapag-alaga ang nanay ko. My mom is caring. So for this, I used ang for nanay ko or my mom because you don't really call your mother my mom. You call them mom, right? So C doesn't really work for this. Okay, next example. Nagtatrabaho ang mga kapatid mo. Your siblings are working. Nakaka-addict ang pagsusugal. Gambling is addicting. Now, if you want to combine the subjects, the same rules would apply. Halimbawa, kumanta siya at ang kapatid niya. He and his brother sang. So in this example, I still used ang before kapatid niya. Okay, another one. Nakakatawa ka at ang mga kaibigan mo. You and your friends are funny. Bumisita sina Tito Sam at ang mga anak niya. Uncle Sam and his kids visited. So for this example, I used sina because Tito Sam is with other subjects, his kids. So there are more than one people, so we used sina instead of si. Okay, another one. Nagtatalo sina Lara at ang teacher niya. Lara and her teacher are arguing. So here, there are two subjects, Lara and her teacher. Lara at ang teacher niya. So we used sina. So that is it for today's video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. For any questions, you may leave a comment below. And also, please subscribe if you're interested in more Filipino learning videos. Sa susunod ulit, paalam!